Zdravo, jaz sem Ana in danes imam tukaj spet gostjo Halido. Zdaj bomo pa pripravljali eno malezijsko sladico. Ni tradicionalno malezijska, ampak rečemo, da je to Malaysian style.
Yes.
Malaysian style. Okay. So, Halida, can you tell me what we are doing?
Okay, now we have here is samosa wrap, or you call it filo, I think.
Yeah, I think it's the same, the similar as filo, but it's not so
it's
dry. Yeah.
And also banana, so I cut it into two. Cinnamon powder, brown sugar, and egg for the egg wash. Now we heat up the oil.
Okay, I will heat it up. We are going to fry this, so it's have to be a lot of oil.
Yes.
Okay.
Deep fried. And we whisk the egg.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Okay, first, just wrap the banana.
Okay. It's really simple.
It's really simple. Yeah, just wrap like this. And I'll put cinnamon powder. And brown sugar. Just a little because banana itself already sweet.
Yes. You just wrap it.
Yes.
And egg is just for stick.
Yes, and I also, before I fry it, I will put egg as well. Dip it in the egg.
Okay, that's interesting. And you eat that in Malaysia
Yes.
often?
Yes. We eat it with ice cream a lot.
Oh, nice.
Actually, in Malaysia we have 3 different races: Malay, Chinese, and Indian. So most of our food in Malaysia, we have combination of these 3.
Interesting.
Yeah. So we also have Chinese food and also Indian food, curry and all. But curry we improvise to Malaysian style. It's not so flavor like curry from India, but it's according to our taste.
Interesting. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
And now you brush everything.
Yes.
Can I try one also?
Sure.
You take the banana and then cinnamon and then sugar. It's really crunchy.
That's crispy, yes. Now it's time to try.
Okay,
Yes.
I can't wait. It looks delicious. It smells also so banana.
It's very simple and quick.
Yeah, it's really simple and really delicious. Yeah. And with ice cream, perfect. Ok, upam, da vam je bil ta posnetek všeč. Mi s Halido bomo pojedla to do konca. Drugače pa všečkajte, komentirajte, delite posnetek s svojimi prijatelji in pa se vidimo prihodnjič. Adijo!
Adijo!
Adijo!